Today's expression is this. At first glance, it looks super easy, but one small mistake can make your answer completely wrong. Most students get this wrong because they don't follow the correct rule. If you solve this expression without using the rule, there's a high chance your answer will be incorrect. In today's video, I'll explain the rule that will help you never get these types of questions wrong again. If you already know the rule, tell me in the comments which rule should be followed. You have only 5 seconds, hurry up, and let's see who can prove they're a math genius.
The reason is that they forget the order of operations, which we call PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first, solve parentheses. Then exponents after that, division and multiplication. And finally, addition and subtraction. So now, let's solve this expression step by step using PEMDAS rules and find out the correct answer at the end. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment your answer below. But remember one important thing, division and multiplication always work from left to right, and the same rule applies to addition and subtraction.